So in many cases, we already know what we need to change. But then why aren't we changing it? And this is the part nobody talks about. You're not stuck because you lack information. You've read the books, you've watched the videos, you've done self-reflection. You know you should stop procrastinating and start taking care of yourself. Quit the habit, set the boundary. But knowing doesn't solve the problem. Doing does. We all feel that something deeper is running our show, something that we can't really grasp. Like a part of us that hits the brakes when we want to move forward. You start strong and then something pulls you back, something makes you stop. The motivation fades away and you don't know why. It's not laziness and it's not a lack of discipline. This is your subconscious mind protecting you of something. An old belief, an old identity, an old way of being. So this makes us feel safe, but it's also what is keeping us stuck. Until you can recognize and see that pattern clearly, you'll just keep repeating it. So it's going to be a new year, but the same you. Changing your life isn't about more willpower. It's about finally understanding what has been in the way, where you are in your own way. And that's what we're going to work on together. And so here's where the Feminine Power Tracker comes in handy. It's a very powerful tool. Classroom, Embodiment Program, and here, Gain Awareness. This is by far the most effective way on how to track the things that are in your way. If it looks overwhelming, don't worry, it's very easy to understand. I broke everything down.